Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can collect taxes on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, to collect taxes, you do need to set up your tax rules for each individual region you're selling in, so I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Now, all of the regions do have their separate rules for getting separate codes and for being tax eligible in those regions, but pretty much what you need to do is go into settings and go into taxes and duties, and now here you can select which region you would like. For example, here I'll select Japan, and each of them have their own separate rules. As you can see, you have the regions in Japan, and you need to set up the federal tax as well as the percent of tax you want in each region. So for example, for Aichi, I'll set up 15% as an example. For Akita, I'll set up 10. Aomori, I'll set 5. Chiba, I'll set up to 10 as well. Ehime, I'll set up to 12. Fukui can be 13. Fukuoka can be 14, and Fukushima can be 15. Add federal tax just like this. You can set up to added to 0% federal tax instead of 0% federal tax, and compounded on top of the federal tax. So you can set up each option as you would like. Depends on your wishes. And as you can see, this for Japan is going to be different from the other sort of regions that you have, so you just need to set that up, and once you're done with the changes, you just need to click save. And now I have the tax settings set up for Japan. For example, for Australia, this is going to look different. You just need to collect in separate regions, and you have your ABN number, and as you can see, if not received yet, you can enter it later. So I'll just click collect a GST, and as you can see, it's missing an ID, but the region I'm collecting in is Australia, and that is pretty much it. You can also add shipping overrides and product overrides, and when you set everything up, whenever you sell in those regions, you're going to collect the tax for that region as well. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.